They say this factory shut down over 50 years ago, but every so often something strange happens here that no one can explain. Locals avoid it, claiming it's cursed, that people who step inside never come out quite the same. A few years ago, a group of urban explorers broke in, just to prove nothing was wrong. They didn't find much at first, just rusting machines and peeling walls. But then they found the staircase to the lower floor, and that's when things got weird. They swear they heard voices, not just whispers, but full conversations, as if people were still working there. One of them, trying to laugh it off, followed the sounds to a huge metal door in the basement. The door was locked, or at least it seemed to be. As he reached for the chain, it fell away with a clank, almost like something wanted him to open it.